Good morning, everybody. So this is part B of 5.5b. We're going to go over the product to sum formulas and the sum to product formulas. So hopefully these are already printed on your note sheet. We're just going to be working on using these today. So these are the product to sum formulas, and these are the sum to product formulas. They kind of do what they say. They take a product, which is multiplication, and turn it into addition. And then they also take addition and turn it into multiplication. So let's go ahead and start. It says, use the product to sum or sum to product formulas to rewrite the following as a sum or difference or product or sum. Okay, well, the first one is written as a product, so I want to write it as a sum. So I'm going to take the product to sum formula, and that's what we're going to work on first. Okay, so to do this, I can see that I have a cosine of something and a sine of something. So that looks like this last piece here. It really doesn't matter. Order doesn't matter too much here, but let's go ahead and start with this. So let's go ahead and use this second piece. 7 is a constant, so I'm just going to keep it out front of this whole situation. I'm going to take it out of the situation. All right, so what I'm going to end up getting is 1/2, and then we're going to get sine, I guess another parentheses, sine of a plus b. That's going to be negative 5x plus 3x minus the sine of a minus b. So sine of negative 5x minus 3x. Okay? All right, so that's what we're going to start with here. And we're just going to go ahead and see how much we can simplify. So I can take the 7/2 to the front now. So we're going to say this is 7/2 times sine of negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2 sine minus, let's distribute, 7/2 sine of negative 8x. And I'm just going to see if I did anything wrong here. It says use the product to sum to rewrite as a sum or difference. So I'm pretty sure that that's pretty much, I think that that's it. So if WebAssign doesn't accept that, I apologize, but I think that that's what they're looking for there. All right, so go ahead and take a pause and see if you can use the next for letter B. Okay, hopefully that wasn't too hard. You should probably pick the sine. Oh, you know what? Give me 1 second. Don't look at that. Okay, there we go. So this is what you should have. Sorry, I used the wrong formula here. We should use the sine of a plus the sine of b. So that's going to be 2 sine of a plus b over 2 times cosine of a minus b over 2. So what we're going to get is 2 sine of 4x over 2 cosine of 2x over 2, which would simplify to 2 sine of 2x cosine of x. And that is that one. So let's keep going to our, is that the very last thing? Give me 1 second. Okay, take that back. That's really it. So what you guys are going to be working on is just work on your WebAssign 5.5b. And if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email or remind.